Today we use clickbait for the channel. I may go back and amend the original video regarding Toyota tool 09756-0011. This tool fits an MR2 coupe from Toyota. This tool was no use and does not fit. I thought there would be a JIS standard on this thread, as it would be significant effort to machine, harden and plate the assembly. Unfortunately, being Japan, they may well be different across all the brands and component suppliers. Here's the Ignis 1. Now Ignis 1 is the rougher of the two cars, but this kind of corrosion and seizing will be common across all the cars. I would have given these pins some attention last year. The rust allows moisture in past the boots. We will go with some silicone based brake grease today, along with new boots. These will rust up again, probably, so it's only a temporary fix. Heat up and use plus gas. Expect this rebuild to take all day at best. Suzuki sells the pins new still, with a nice slippery chemi green coating. I'm trying not to spend any money at the moment, so these will hold for a bit. The pins sold by Big Red are zinc plated and the threads aren't tapped properly. I didn't want to spend another £15 on a fine tap. They are on the Ignis too, but will go in the bin as soon as possible. Zinc on steel is not a good sliding surface compared to chemi black, smooth type plating processes. Have new pistons ready to fit, shop around for the best prices. The dirt and crud seems to stick in the piston area. We have seen this car being bled out twice before, nothing unusual for a car of this age. I've noticed that the fantasy approach of painting the outside and leaving the inside festering will get more views on YouTube. Looks like 8mm versus 10mm, so a fail on this advice. You can see the corrosion and moisture inside the handbrake assembly. This is not a good thing. I'm not sure if the chrome cam assembly can be found as a replacement part from another source. I've only been able to roughly clean up these cams. Where the chrome is rusted away, there will be water ingress and corrosion. So, to wind back the internal spring, a tool could be made from the old piston thrust bearing assembly, or you could make a tool with two pins to lock in these holes. So another caliper fixed, though cosmetically not nice at all. If you can get these rebuilt properly and plated for £100 a side, more power to you.